See, today I'll show you a data set which contains no column. We don't have a column. Remember, I don't have the column name, but I want to read the data set. So if I want to read a data set without a column name, so how does it do? So see an example. Import Pandas as PD. So what is my intention? I'm reading a data set EX10. So I'll say df is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV EX10 dot CSV. So see, by default, what happened? The first row got converted into column, but I don't want like that. So if I want to read the data set, how will I read it? Say pd dot read underscore CSV ex10 dot CSV index column equal to none. So please concentrate here. Sorry. We have to say header equal to none. If I write it header equal to none, now see automatically serial number comes. Earlier it was first row got converted into column, but now automatically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come into the picture. So guys, don't get confused when we have a data set without column name. So you need not require to have any sort of confusion. Without a header also we can read the data set. Same thing. I'll say df is equal to ex10.csv names is equal to abcd message. So see, now the column names are defined as abcd message. Now I now want to create an index column with a name called message. This column I want to create an index. So df is equal to df. Now see, the message column has converted into index column. So this is nothing but reading a data set without columns. From here you can put a heading like reading data set without column name. Right now, what happened yesterday? Yesterday we attended. No. Yeah. Where? Oh. Which related? Mona? Oh, congratulations. Epudu? అవునా ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళాలి గుడ్ ప్యాకేజ్ what is the package initially వస్తుంది ఇయర్ ప్లేస్ అంటే 2 months లో అయిపోతుందా మీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ అక్కడ అక్కడ బిజీ రికార్డింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా అది రికార్డింగ్స్ పంపిస్తున్నాను కదా ఆన్లైన్ పర్లేదు కదా. కొంచెం ఇది రాసి Now I'll show you one more data set which is called M index, where I'll have some concept called key and value. See, I have one data set called key1, key2, value1, value2. So this two data set I'll send you, EX10 and M index. Now, how do you read the data set? pd.read_csv. My file name is M index. Index columns are key1 and key2. Key1, key2. See, automatic it has been grouped. And moreover, interesting point is if I want to export the data now. So guys, remember, try to concentrate. Now I'm going to export the data. Till now we have read it. Now we will export the data. I'll say DF. DF is a variable. To CSV. So in D drive, I want to create a file called anudip.csv. Oh, sorry. So D drive, Anudip. Now let's see. Open your D drive and check it out. Do we have Anudip file or not? See. same data is exported. Can you see? So not only reading in Python, we can even export the data into some external files. So Anudip is not existed. Now it has got created. Got it? So write down. What? So yesterday we have seen merging, concatenation, right? Then we have seen data transformation, replacing the value, aggregate functions, everything is over. So today, guys, we are going to start a part of, once we are going to, or we are going to learn a concept called machine learning. So before getting into machine learning, there is one topic called time series. So in this data analytics, we have a word called time. Remember, time series is purely required for future forecasting. For future forecasting, when I said a word called time series, compulsory you need a concept, a column called date and time. At least a column date. Based on the past data, we can do the future prediction. So in order to do the prediction, we are going to focus on a word called time series. So guys, today we are going to start a word called time series. So you can specify the heading with a word called time series, which is used for future forecasting based on previous data. I said RNG equal to PD. PD is Pandas. Dot date range. It has a function called date range. So maybe I have taken a year called something 2022. Month is March. First day is first. Time is 10:50. I said periods equal to 10. That means I want 10 months detail. Comma frequency equal to month. Month means month ending date. Remember, month ending date. It will show you month ending date. Just check it out. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Got it? Same thing if I say MS, which says month starting date. Say all this was 30, 31st. This is now first. Just hint, these are the syntax which I am telling you. How we will go to convert this concept, we'll see later on. Meanwhile, suppose somebody writes the content like this. Say somebody have written November 2020. Period 10. Frequency M. Means what my intention is, in place of this 03010, somebody will write it NOV. 30th November, 31st December, 23. Can you see 10 months automatically it came? Now somebody provides the content in a form of hours. In place of month, if I want to go with hour base. Say 2022 is also 22. Frequency is equal to 2H, sorry, 12H, means hourly based. See, morning 10:15, night 10:15. Morning 9:15, 10:15. Can you see? Sorry, 10:15 morning, 10:15 evening. So in that way, you can distribute your value in form of hour. Now, somebody wants to based on the time zone or area specific wise. Early hours 5:30. Can you see? Got it? So guys, first write down this point. Write down. Down. M ante month start. MS ante month. Sorry, M means month ending. MS means month start. Go ahead. Now, let's say, how do we convert a string to date? Because normally when the data is in date format, you cannot analyze. So what you have to do, guys, you have to convert your string to date. So concentrate this. This is very important. Converting string to date. I said dd equal to, there is a list. Inside a list, all the values are in string. If you want to confirm it, just say type dd of 0. What is this? 0 means first value. So it is in string. Now I want to convert that string into date and time. So I'll say d equal to list, because this is the list data. pd dot to date time, dd. See now what is the result? If you want to confirm it, type d of, am I clear? First write on this. Converting string to date. That also. Now, let us say we want to focus on annually. Now, this is, I'm trying to do some calculations here. PR equal to PD dot period. Like example 2022. If I say just PR, it will show me 2000 December. 2022 December. Now, if I say just PR plus 1, what happened? 1 year added. PR minus 1 year subtracted. Now, the same I want to convert year to month. Year to month. PR month equal to PR. PR is this value dot as frequency M. PR month is a variable. Now you got month, right? Now if I say PR month minus 1, 11. PR month plus 1 month added, right? So first write down year 2, sorry. From here you can write down period arithmetic. 1 second. Good. Guys, those are online over.
Yes, sir.
Over. Now we are going to discuss on some period range. So for this, first I'll take one package here. This is called first I'll take import Numpy as NP, then PRG equal to PD dot period range, PRG. From 2010 to 2015, it will take all the values. Now I'll just use one syntax. Data equal to PD dot series, NP dot random dot rand, Numpy. According to the length of PRG, index value is PRG. So when I print the data, check it out. Some random values are coming. Got it? First write up. Period range. So tomorrow we'll see string date to periods. First write up. Last year. Okay, guys, tomorrow we'll continue.